Hey everybody, Chris.Buystedt over here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. We just wanted to present this 2007 Keystone Vr1 319 FBS. This is a really cool trailer. The inside's quite different. I think you're going to be excited about it, especially if you like the lighter interiors. This is quite different. Let's take a look. So right here, you have a really nice sleeper sofa. It actually comes out all the way, so you can sleep a couple of people right here. Comfortable sitting, rear living with a few chairs. Notice the beautiful interiors. It's just kind of a whitewashed look in here. It's very light and beautiful. They've got a nice dinette place for you to eat. Lots of storage throughout. Place for your entertainment system right here. You do have cook stove. It's electric. You've got a convection oven, which is fantastic, and really nice fridge. Take a look at that. Lots of space. Look how big these drawers are. This is really a nice unit for that reason. A lot of extra storage. Drawers that come out, drawers down here. So if you like to have your cooking going on in the kitchen and lots of places to put things, this is a great place to do it. On this side, you'll find that walking towards your master bedroom, you'll walk right into the bathroom. And so it is set up for privacy with sliding doors here. You do have glass surround in the shower. There we go. Let's take a look at that. Nice skylight up above, and then we also have a nice fan inside. And this is what everyone loves, is lots of storage in the bathroom. You just don't see that all the time. And you even got storage over here as well, and a nice medicine cabinet, some hooks to put your clothing. And in here, in a slide out with lots of room to walk around, you've got a nice bed, a beautiful closet right here. We're just fixing the door right now and making some adjustments. Look at this beautiful credenza right here. It gives you lots of extra storage. Lots of storage up top as well. This is a fantastic trailer, guys. Really neat. It's really fun looking. The colors are nice. The storage is great. You even have a separate bedroom right out of, or door right out of the bedroom right here. So you have two entrances. I would love to show you this trailer. I think you might really like it. Come give me a call or come down and visit me. My name is Chris.Buystedt. My number is 541-636-7878.